This is me through and through. What you see is what you get, so follow the blues clues. Suckers, they stay solid, no fall out like loose screws. So fuck them like boo-hoo, they crying like boo-hoo. Nigga, just do you. I'ma stack it, go at it, I'm just adamantly at it. I'ma letting it flow and I flip it like acrobatics. They know that I'm gon' get it, adding like mathematics. Never subtracting unless I'm subtracting suckers' facts. And you know I never lack, I can go tit for tat. Every time I spit this shit, you know I'm spitting facts. I'm never finna settle down, I got this metal now. If they really wanna see this shit, ringing tea kettles now. I'm hella hot, finna boil over the pot. Yeah, I know I smoke a lot, cause I'm just spoiled with the crop. Haters wanna hate on me, well I think they just forgot that I'm never gonna stop. Watch me boil to the top. See, check it. On this next go, I'ma leave it like a text note. And when you see it, don't leave it, hey, take notes. Suckers make more fake shit than the plastic surgeon. I was told to go and get it till my back is hurting. And even when my back is hurting, I still carry you niggas. Even though I keep my distance, I ain't scared of you niggas. You can't compare to me, nigga, don't even try. I know about your fuckery, sucker, don't even lie. Just keep it a buck. I got the heat, I just be keeping it tucked. It's funny how you keep hating like I'm giving a fuck. Never, I'm getting cheddar on the day-to-day. No matter what life takes away, I'ma make a way. And if you acting like a sucker, watch me break away. Like Kit Kats, no chit-chats on a rainy day.